holding the rope. Early lead is taken by Home Run Queen by the rail. It's Home Run Queen by the rail, and moving up on the outside is Person Empire and Sunny Severorum. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Home Run Queen by the rail, moving up on the outside is Person Empire, Sunny Severorum running in third. And at the far turn, it's Home Run Queen leading the field by a length and a half, followed by Person Empire and Sunny Severorum moving up on the inside, and Panama King now closing in fourth. And now the last bend for home is still Home Run Queen leading the field by 2.5 lengths. It is still Home Run Queen in the lead, followed by Sunny Severorum on the outside. On the further outside is Panama King. At the top of the straight is still Home Run Queen in the lead. It's Home Run Queen followed by Panama King on the outside. But it's still Home Run Queen by the rail, and Panama King moving up on the further outside. It is still Home Run Queen and Panama King on the outside. It's Home Run Queen, Panama King. And finally on the top line, Panama King, Home Run Queen, Sunny Severorum, Person Empire, Congregation.
4-1-2-5-3 unofficial order of arrival. Only the second choice, number